Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you CDK Global tutorial. How to use CDK Global for beginners. If you're just starting with CDK Global, here's a quick guide. First, your dealership CDK admin will provide your login ID. This gives you access to modules like Drive, CRM, Inventory, and Finance. Begin with CDK University, the official onboarding hub with interactive lessons, live demos, and quizzes tailored to your role. In the CRM, you can create or update customer records, manage marketing segments, schedule services, and track follow ups for sales. Use Sales Express to configure pricing, trade ins, F&I products, and digital contracts. In inventory, search units by VIN or stock number, assign vehicles, and tie them directly to finance workflows. Service teams can create repair orders, sign texts, add parts, and sync completions to accounting. Parts and supply chain tools let you check stock, request transfer, and even integrate with platforms like Snap-on. Finally, accounting and alerts give you automated invoicing, vendor tracking, and compliance monitoring, all while the dashboard highlights your most urgent tasks. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.